In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Meet account. Now, it's important to note that deleting your Google Meet account means you must delete your entire Google account. This action will sever any connections between your Meet account and your phone number, as Meet is intrinsically linked with your full Google ecosystem. So, before proceeding, be sure this is truly what you want to do, as it will affect all other Google services you use. First things first, to kick off this process, you'll want to open up Google Chrome on your computer. This browser is generally recommended for accessing Google's suite of services as it's directly developed by Google itself, ensuring a smoother experience. Once you have Chrome open, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not sure whether you're logged in, just look to the top right corner of your browser. It's easy to spot if your profile photo or your initial is displayed there. Once confirmed, go ahead and click on that profile image. Doing this will provide you with a drop-down menu where you will find a bunch of options related to account management and settings. Among those options, you'll see an entry that says Manage your Google account. Click that and it will take you to a dedicated page brimming with various tabs and settings, each designed to help manage different aspects of your account, from privacy settings to security. Now pay attention to the layout of the page and start scrolling down. Your eyes should be scanning for the section labelled More Options. It might be located towards the bottom, so a bit of scrolling might be in order here. Within that section you will come across Delete your Google account. Clicking on this will take you to a page where the final steps take place. At this stage, Google will provide you with instructions that may include some confirmations or security checks like entering your password. They do this to make sure it's really you who wants to take this irreversible step. Carefully follow these instructions to complete the deletion process. Once the account is officially deleted, it's crucial to brace yourself for the result. You'll lose access to every Google service tied to that account. That includes popular services like Gmail and YouTube, not to mention all data linked to your account such as emails and photos will also be inaccessible. It's quite a significant step, so if you have important data, make sure you backed it up or downloaded it beforehand. As you'll see, deleting a Google Meet account essentially means closing the door on the whole Google world tied to that particular account, so weigh the pros and cons carefully before taking this step. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other guides for more tech tips and tricks.